Greetings, and welcome to Astronomy 1.0.
The question of the day is: what is a supernova? Before we get started, let's look at the root word, nova. The word nova comes from the Latin translation, meaning new. By definition, a supernova is the explosion of a star. According to NASA, it is the largest explosion that takes place in outer space. Supernovas are often seen in other galaxies, but they are more difficult to see in our own galaxy, because the view is sometimes blocked by gas and dust. Supernovas take place when there is a drastic change in the center of a star. There are two different types of supernova. The first type takes place in binary star systems. Binary stars are two stars that orbit each other. They usually consist of a white dwarf and a companion star. The white dwarf is much more dense than its companion, and it continually absorbs matter from its companion star, to the point where it literally explodes. This explosion is a supernova. The second type takes place at the end of a single star's lifetime. In other words, stars can actually die. As the star runs out of nuclear fuel, some of its mass flows into its core. Eventually, the core is so heavy that it cannot withstand its own gravitational force. At some point, the core will collapse, resulting in a great explosion, a supernova. Typically, stars that fall into this category are much larger than our Sun. We call them giants, or supergiants. It is for this reason that our own Sun is not a good supernova candidate, because it is simply not large enough. Supernovas burn for only a short period of time, but they give us clues about the universe. One clue is that we live in an expanding universe, one that is constantly growing. Scientists also have determined that supernovas play a key role in distributing elements throughout the universe. When the star explodes, it shoots elements and debris into space. Many of the elements that exist on Earth are made in the stars, such as gold and iron. These elements are the building blocks of new stars, planets and everything else in the universe. Supernovas occur all throughout the galaxy and the universe, and they happen more frequently than we realize. One of the most recent supernovae was discovered in 2011 by a 10-year-old girl from Canada. Who knows? Perhaps you will discover the next supernova. That's all the time we have for today's program. Please be sure to smash the like button, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep your eyes to the skies.